is up, you guys? It's your girl Alexa Takes a Look, and today we are back, and we're back with another Stray Kids video. We are going to finish out the rest of the SKZ players. We've got Ultra, we've got Youth, and we're gonna save my favorite for last, Bangchan. Yes, I am super excited for Railway. Y'all, the way that I have been running from Instagram and Twitter because I don't want to ruin it for myself. So I am ready to watch it. We're going to start out with Ultra and then Youth and then Railway. But before we get into it, as always, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. It really helps me out. We're on the road to 10K, but let's go ahead and get into the content. Okay, quick disclaimer. I've seen tiny snippets from concerts of this song, but that's about it. Let's get into it. It's giving Matrix. Gotta turn this up. Ooh. It's like a whisper and it's be free from the pain, break a chain. 새롭게 태어난 모습 애초에 태가 다른 나의 booster kit. 기지개를 피지 올라가는 reach. 그렇다고 쉬지 않고 뛰지. 흉터는 깊이 베겠지만 높은 가치로 달고 switch. 적당히란 너지 이건 내 법칙. 성취감 최대 사치 완벽해 나를 덧칠. 모든 걸 끌어올릴 밤이야. I'm also getting like a Joker vibe from this. And his makeup. A water scene, stop. I just worked on like a little ant. I overcame the pain and became a giant. I liked that. Alright, I gotta say, Mans is built like a tractor, and you know what? He could run me over any day. He could run me over any day. But also just the rapping skills, the dancing, the music, it was really good. I really enjoyed that. I'm gonna have a really hard time trying to put all of these in order. And one thing that I really appreciate about each of these SKZ players is the variety that you get. Like, there is something for any musical taste within the SKZ player songs. But yeah, let us take a look here at this is Lino's Youth.
Now why? Here is B.
Okay, this is not what I thought it would be. adorable. Look how cute he is. And that hair.
Left or right 어디든지 go 끌리는 대로 우린 flow 눈치 따위는 보지 말고 뛰어들어 모든 할 수 있어 You and I wow 막지 마 wow Feeling like a superman I'm like wow All night na 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 All day na 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 상관하는 누구도 거침없이 노래도 부르라고 널 막았을 건 무엇도 없어 이 순간 자유로운 널 느껴 alright It's time to bet on what you want 없는 것처럼
Like a little Harry Potter moment with the Stitch.
One more time countdown 3, 2, 1 지금을 즐겨 가장 자유로운 이 순간 Say yeah
Gosh, he is so handsome.
It's okay, it's okay. 내 모습대로 가장 찬란한 이 순간 속에 뛰어들. We are the best. 자신을 믿어 내 없는 것처럼 버티려 내 안에 dynamite. Show me what you wanna do. One more time, countdown 3, 2, 1
Same. How many? Same. That was way too short. I love that. What the heck? Okay, that was freaking adorable and not what I was expecting at all. Usually for Lino, I think I said this in the last video too. I was like, oh, it's probably gonna be a ballad. So like something kind of funky, fresh like that was not what I was expecting. Like the whole boy next door look, how like sweet he looked and like super, I don't know. Like it's just heart melting. And then the song itself, like I said, it's funky, it's fresh, it's youthful. Like just like the name of it and not what I was expecting at all from Lino. But pleasantly surprised. It was a very sweet song. I would definitely listen to it again. It's going to make just the way it made me feel, plus the music video itself and how adorable Lino is with his smile and his hair and like his little facial expressions were so cute. It's gonna make putting these videos in order so hard for me. But this is probably going to complicate the mix even more, as y'all know. You can't see, but this Wolf-chan, and that's because Bangchan is in fact my husband legally. Just kidding, not legally, but in my head legally. And so this is for sure going to. I'm not ready, but let's just go.
Vision got my eyes on you, tracking every single line and every move. Heart is racing day and night.
He's a vampire?
Don't hold back, enjoy the ride and let it loose. The sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning.
This is very like
Take it, that's just one trip.
The Weeknd.
Turning back, hold tight onto the railings.
Chase Atlantic, very.
Something saying, please. Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties? Casualties, cause it's like when it's just you and me. You and me, baby, I feel how high. Need no break, no breaks. This train, the engines go insane. I'm late, it rains. As long as
Very Silent Hill meets vampire.
no doubt, baby, trust me now. Sirens keep on screaming, that's so funny. We're staring at the ticket, that's just one trip. No turning back, hold tight onto them railings.
Ooh, he liked that. Also, he liked that. Okay.
Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties? Casualties, cause it's safe when it's just you and me. You and me. Baby, I feel our heartbeats shaking, trembling. That's right, hold on tight. Yeah, this train never sleeps.
There's so many noises going on right now. Okay. That was not what I was expecting, okay? From the clips that I've seen on Instagram with the man shirtless on the chair and everything, I was fully expecting something else. Not disappointed, but what did I just watch? Like, that was some crazy horror video game, like, drama thriller thing that was going on, and I mean, I love it, but like, that's not what I was expecting. Not what I was expecting. But I liked it. I did. I love it. But I'm like at a loss for words, because I don't know what I was expecting. That wasn't it though. That was not it. But it was great. It was truly great. And I don't even know how to order these. It's so hard because I feel like, and I think that maybe y'all feel the same way, but like each of these songs is something that I would go to depending on my mood, right? Like if I'm feeling kind of melancholy but also calm, I might pick Unfair. If I'm feeling melancholy but a little bit more high energy, maybe Sungmin's song, which name I don't remember. I just remember something that to do with Uri, we something. But if I'm feeling a little bit more upbeat and energy, probably Han or Lino. If I'm feeling a little bit like me, probably I would. Okay, so this is hard because I remember last time I think Ions was my favorite. Now it's so hard because I would put like Ions, Ultra, or no, was Han's my favorite? Because I feel like, okay, vibe-wise, I feel like Hallucination and Ultra and Railway all kind of give similar vibes. Not the same, similar though. Similar vibes, same mood. I would put them in the same mood color, okay? Then Hans and Lino's I would also put in similar vibes, similar mood color. And then Unfair. Oh, what about So Good? So Good is so unique though. I feel like So Good cannot be really lumped in. Same with Unfair and same with Sungmin's song. I feel like those ones just need to be on their own. And so if I'm gonna use grouping categories, then I would put the Hallucination Ultra Railway first, I think. And then Han and Lino group next. And then probably So Good, Unfair, and Sungmin. Or So Good, Sungmin, and Unfair. I'm not super into ballads or slower songs, so that's why. It's not that they're not good, okay? It's just that's my personal preference. I like faster paced songs. I like EDM. I like that kind of thing. But yeah, that's kind of where I would personally rank them. I still have a couple other songs that I haven't heard from Hop the album, so if you want to see those, just let me know in the comments below. I am pretty up to date on a lot of Stray Kids content besides a lot of the SKZ code I haven't kept up with lately. But if there's something you want to see that's Stray Kids related, please let me know. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share whatever the cool YouTubers say. It's your girl Alexa Takes a Look, and I am bouncing out.